Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this 7 by 7 inches golden wedding anniversary card, and I'm going to use my White Elegance collection. The link is in the description down below. First, I need 7 by 7 inches white card base because I really want my card to be super elegant. So when this is ready, then I chose that textured, beautiful white card, and I need the panel measuring 6 3/4 by 6 3/4 of an inch. If you haven't seen my previous wedding anniversary card, I'm going to leave it at the end of this video. Now I need a panel, and I couldn't decide which design paper I'm going to use, and I really wanted to add some more elegance. That's why I created 6.5 by 6.5 of an inch square panel using that beautiful flower pattern card. It is super shiny and beautiful. So when this is ready, then I had a look at my stash and I chose those nestables cutting dies from Creative Craft products. And also, I'm going to use the same embossing folder from Tattered Lace that I used a couple of days ago. And now we've got that beautiful white heart. I absolutely love it. Something is missing, so I decided to add a gold frame. So what I did here, I chose two heart-shaped nesting dies and I used my low tack tape. Then I created that golden frame. I think it is perfect for this wedding anniversary. So if you want to add a little bit more elegance to your projects, that is the way to go. Now I'm going to assemble it at the front of the card, and if you have a grid on your mat, that really makes a difference. Because this card is 7 by 7 inches, so I'm going to make sure that the sharp point of my heart is at 3.5 of an inch. It's always a good idea to burnish it really well. Now we need to add some elements. So from my White Elegance collection, I fussy cut this beautiful flower cluster in the shape of a heart. And now I've got some gold frames and also some sentiments. And this one says wedding anniversary in Polish. And here I've got the names of the wife and the husband here, which I'm going to place in the top right corner. And this card, it is super simple but very effective in the end. And at this point, I thought to add even more interest to the card, going to add some dimension using double-sided foam adhesive, which I think is such a great idea. And also, I have the gold number 50 here. And let's add the dimension using double-sided foam adhesive. How often do you create wedding anniversary cards? Do you have your favorite cutting die set to do it? Please let me know in the comments down below because I really want to know how you do it. If you haven't seen in my previous video, I also used the cutting die in the shape of a heart, but it was slightly different. So if you have anything in your stash that is perfect for wedding anniversaries, I absolutely encourage you to create something very special. Because sometimes we forget about those occasions, but they are absolutely special to celebrate. As you can see with my double-sided foam adhesive, I can cut it into smaller pieces just to make sure every single bit is going to be adhered where I wanted. I'm using my pokey tool to peel off the backing and I'm going to add a couple of drops of my totally favorite liquid glue. And if you would like to get this beautiful White Elegance digital collection, I left the link to Buy Me a Coffee website so you can have a look. It has lots of beautiful elements to fussy cut, but also some beautiful design papers as well. And if you get it, you can print it as many times as you want for your beautiful make. So go and check it out. Here I'm also adding the dimension on the heart-shaped flower cluster. And when this is ready, I thought something is missing. If you know me, you know how much I love to add a little bit of sparkle to that elegance. So, from my stash, I had a look and I couldn't resist. I thought adding gold pearls would be perfect for this occasion. So for this one, actually, I'm going to use slightly smaller pearls because I want it to be subtle, but also I really wanted to add them. But first, I printed the message that will go inside, and I also created the same gold frame. So all the elements are going to match, which I think is really cool, right? Do you do that as well for your card making projects? Please let me know in the comments down below. So all together, this card took me about half an hour to die cut all the elements, but my biggest struggle always is to choose the font for a message or a sentiment. That totally takes me the longest time ever. So now I'm going to adhere the message inside of the card, and I think that is so special. So when this is ready, as I told you, I'm going to add couple of pearls. Actually, not couple, quite a lot. And I wonder if you're going to guess how many I added on the card. Think the guess is pretty easy. So, when the heart is ready, I'm going to close the card and show you my totally favorite gold pearls. And now you can see how the card is completed. So I put the pearls like in the outside, but also where the sentiment wedding anniversary is, and the card is complete and it stands proudly on a flat surface. So, how many pearls did I use? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Happy crafting! Bye for now!